just to show you it's pretty simple, is to take and place the next pieces on there. So if I have the layers, I'll just hide the initial graphic. Here's the background. I'll select that layer and just go to File and Place. And these items, this is the first one we had. This is the back one. You don't need the bottom. This is a side panel and two side panels. So I'm going to Shift key both of these. It hides the image, but it'll select both of them. And just click, and it'll show up the exact size that it was. So these are pretty easy because all you're doing is copying a piece over here. So I'm going to Shift key this part and set this over to the side. Click on this one, rotate this one here, and can go ahead and lock this one and show this one up at the top. So essentially it's the same item. I don't have too much to do. I just have to copy some of these pieces. So the option for the section here, and you can see that the font or the spacing is just slightly different. This logo, I can Shift key, group it together, and just Option and position it right there. Okay, and I'm going to do the same thing as set one over here. So not too difficult. With this blue shape, I'm just going to set it down here. Keep the same distance as the width, and just draw it up a little bit higher. Option and duplicate that color, hit the eyedrop color to get that light blue, and just drop this down. The Shift key keeps it in a straight line, and I just have to drop this down. So once I have this one, easiest is to just take it, group it together, Command G and Option, and just set it right up here where it belongs, and just slide it right across. So now that gives me that piece. This one here, I'm just going to click on this and hide it. Zoom into it because the logo they've made just slightly larger. So I can pinpoint it here and just Option or Shift key it at least to get it going across for that one. Here's the same font, if you recall. It just looks like it's stretched out a little bit more than that one, which it is. So you can actually just stretch it across with that one, and it sets it right in there. And then taking a look at this top one, click on this one again and go to Object, Hide Selection. Click on this logo and place it right there. So very simple. And hide this one, and just go ahead and Object Show All, and now I have all three graphics right there in front. So I have the front, top, and the side all set to go, and I can also put the filter on there, so I'll try that in a little bit.